We talk football SA, Orlando Pirates, amabili, Durban City, elilodwa. Jackson, my brother.
I just want to blame our defense and midfield.
Yeah.
It's not doing well. Even in the central midfield and the central defense.
Yeah.
If you see Smith is always panicking. What in China means panic speed.
Yes.
There is no pressure because we have Mbata.
Yeah.
Mbata protected defense. Why is Smith always panicking? And isizile le substituting kalungu because once wangene ulungu i-defense be relaxile because akho pressure, so nje be right nje ile extra time yet. That's why we always complaining about our midfield. Let's try to use Mtiane and other players that are new. Because la lento mokhehleni bayathingeka pha la Johnson, Johnson play very well but still need more. So usanida experience oba badlale pha because Mbatha ngokulekisha namhlanje if you can watch Paris if many games uyabona iParis ukuthi hayi ibileka ku midfield because i-midfield yethu if Mbatha was not there uzoyibona iParis ukuthi iParis akuyiyo leyo iParis uyijwayele, and if Makhehleni was here uzoyibona iParis indlela ibingazuyi iParis kulento ku extra time, but ever since kukhona lo mjita lo uDancing I don't blame uDancing, ngiyamthanda vele player iParis player yethu, but we still need more time uba ma-regain performance yeParis. But coaching, I do blame coaching ngoba istriker set angasebenzisi istriker set ndiyamprefer uMvuthuma, but uMvuthuma namhlanje was nowhere to be found. If Betas mhlambi sinomakhopa mhlambi ke sidlale better without extra time besengekho kwakwi-game yanamhlanje because besendiyibekele extra time ukuthi vele extra time sesiyadliwa. Let's try to udlala ngendlela right kuze siwine ama-game without uba kusibhilive kwamajita le. uDancing win i-goal of the season. Goal of the season is not depending uba uzokwenzeka le nento esenzeka. Let's try to usebenzisa amajita ebekade sidlalela. Same we need to defend our cup. So if soqhubeka nokuba sithembele amajita afikayo sizoloko sidliwa so lokho sikhala. I'm not happy about this win. I'm not happy. Mase ngikhuluma iqiniso, I'm not happy about this win.
Win is a win, no matter what.
But
win is a win.